Google Chrome tab is very useful tool for the productivity on our browser when you're using for work, for home jobs, for personal use, for travel planning, to categorize it, everything's in one place. So how to prepare this? If you look on my browser, I have a lot of tabs and we can connect it together for the groups. We have 3 groups here. We have some learnings tab, something for the project, and something for my private, like search for the travel for my next trip. So let's start from create group for travel, for the personal. How to create group? Very simple. Click on the tab, right, and add to new group. Like you see, we have new pop-up and we can name this group. This group will be called travel. And we can choose color, for example, yellow. Okay, but now we have only one tab. How to add to this group next tab? Simple. Grab your tab and move to this group. Like you see, both of the tab are yellow color. So we have this on one group. Okay, this is only 2 tabs. What to do if we have more tabs, for example 3, to not make everything's manual. So let's start from here, push button shift, and next push the last on the Udemy, add 2 new tabs, create new group. Like you see, all tabs are in the group, so we can call it as courses. Choose color, for example, green. So like you see, we have this tab. The same we can do with my projects. New group, project, and choose color, for example, this. Very simple. So how to ungroup? Very simple. We have 2 options. If you want to remove one tab from the group, click on this tab, move outside the group, like you see, like this. If we want ungroup all items, click right on this push button ungroup. That's all. Okay, I reverted group, so we have 3 groups. Next thing, how easily move all tabs in the groups between groups. Very simple. For example, we want to move project 1 on the first position, so push on the group and move on the beginning. The same from the travel if we want to on the beginning. That's all. How to make these groups a bit cleaner? In 2 steps. First, I always add for the group some icons. So clicks on the group, like you hear, and now we can use shortcut on the Mac is Control Command spacebar, and we can see some icons. So for the travel, I can use plane. For the projects, I can do this the same. For example, gear. And for the courses, the same. So we can add some teachers. Like you see, we have a little bit more cleaner, but still we have open all tabs. Can we have collapse this? Of course, yes. Just click on the group and we have collapse. The same on the project, the same for the travel. Very simple. So like we see, now we have very clean our browser, and it is more productive when we want to work on some part of this group. So we can push all the courses and this show us tabs what we need for this group for work on this group. If we stop working, we can collapse and go to, for example, project and start work for the project. Next very good option is search inside the tabs. So go to the right corner. Here we have button and we can see here all of our open the tabs and we can search what we need. Very useful tools. Can we open this group on the new window? Of course. You can grab courses and we have new window. We can of course join the same group to our previous window, so just join like this. Additional tip is for the performance, memory and power. So go to the settings, go to tab performance, and we have section memory. Good, enable this. And in my case, I choose this option for the memory. And second one is power. Enable this and turn off when your computer is unplugged. And this helps you with battery on your laptop, because if you're not refreshing in the background to websites, this optimizes your time of you working on the battery. And that's all. If you have any question, put this question below for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.